Alright. Pretty funny how all the snow sticking all this stuff. I got these trees that normally are above my head that seem to have decided to touch the ground. Oh, that's better. Zoom that out a little bit. There you go. I mean, this is amazing. I've never seen snow stick to branches like this before. Look at that. I mean, look at that tree up there. It's just sticking to everything. I'm not sure if that look like it's just snapped off yet. I mean, all this stuff's normally above my head so I can mow the yard. This is funny. A good example is right up here. Oh, look at the fence. Look at this tree that normally sticks straight up. It's hanging over and touching the house. This is some deep stuff. And it's still snowing.